Hello everyone, welcome to the interview series of SAP BW HANA interview questions. So today, one of my interviewer asked me explain the update methods in logistic delta. So in that update methods, when they are asking, means they are asking about the types of delta, how you can get the delta from the ECC. So you can see on my screen, we are having three types of update method: direct delta, queued delta, and unserialized V3 delta. And I will also let you know how you can check those delta. First, you need to log in into the ECC. You need to log in into the ECC, then type LBWET code. Once you can see all the logistic applications are over here. You can expand anything. Now here you can see in update mode, you can see here it is using direct, it is using queued, it is using queued delta, it is using direct. Okay, such a way you can check the update modes. So before proceeding update mode, uh, every all update modes are depends upon the three types of jobs in delta mechanism. There are those jobs are a V1 job, V2 job, and V3 job. So I will explain about all the three jobs. So V1 update. So when V1 job execute, then it you can see on my screen. V1 updates are processed consecutively in a single update work process on a same application server. V1 ensures serialization of data. It's denoted primary changes that are time critical. V1 job uses more resources as compared to V3. So let me explain you V1 update. When user performs any posting on that time, then those postings are collected by V1 job. So in this at the same time, V1 job updates on a application table as well as the statistical out delta queue. So this is called as a V1 update. So V2 update. V2 updates are a less critical update, so it's kind of secondary changes. So V2 updates means like after performing transaction, there could be some backend calculation that will going to be performed by system. Such updates are called as a V2 update. So when user performs any posting, so first critical updates are updated to application table, and after that in backend v2 job executes and it performs some calculation, and those changes are also updated into the uh, application table as well as statistical uh, ch- statistical tables. Okay, v3 updates are same kind of similar updates using v2, but problem with the v3 is that serialization is not ensured. That is the only. And v3 uses, because serialization is not ensured, so v3 uses less resources as compared to v1. So v2 first, v2 how v2 job updates data to the delta queue. So first v2 job writes data into the extraction queue, and from extraction queue to delta queue data is being posted. So in v3 update, first data writes into the update queue, and then it will going to be posted into the delta queue. Okay, now I'm coming on a update method. So there are three types of update methods: direct delta, queue delta, and unserialized V3 update. So direct delta. So in this update method, data is directly transferred to the delta queue and application table at the same time, as I have explained you in V3. So here means like one document if user posted, that is called as a one logical unit of work, LUW. By writing delta queue with V1 posting process and posting process, so serialization is ensured in direct delta. So this update is only recommended if you are having very less records. If your number of records are very high, then direct delta is not recommended. Second one is a queue delta. So in this, as I explained in V2, in this update method, first record are sent to the extraction queue using V1 job. Okay, and then records are fetched from the extraction queue to the delta queue using collective run. So in this method you can see 10,000 documents can be stored into the one logical unit of work. So here also serialization is ensured, and so with the help of this queue delta we can reduce our downtime. Third update is a unserialized V3 update. Here, so here you can see on my screen the data, extracted data of an application is written to the update tables, means the update queue. Okay, so we need to send data from update table to delta queue. So update table you can check in SM13 queue, and delta queue you can check in RSS7. So for both, means like sending data from update queue to delta queue, there will be the collection run job. So in this unserialized, as the name suggests, serialization is not ensured. So here, as serialization is not ensured, that's why you cannot updating DSO with overwrite. So instead of you can use additive. That's all about the update methods in SAP BW. Thank you.